guys, welcome to my second video. Today I'll be showing you my Austin A40 Somerset. Grabby. This thing was originally my grandpa's, but my dad took the truck and trailer and brought the car from the farm all the way to here. Right here where I'm standing, Right here where I'm standing, right here. Sorry. The inside is deteriorated. There's like nothing left to save in here, except for that steering wheel and this thingy. Maybe the pedals. Frick. This thing won't budge. Yeah, it won't budge. What's this do? Oh, that's the thing. Yeah, the back is completely gone. There used to be like 2 seats right here. You can tell. Yeah. Rotten. You have the fuel tank. The back, I'm pretty sure I ripped off the trunk. Silly me. Tee-hee. Pop the hood real quick. Yeah. My grandpa took a few parts out of it, so yeah, I think it's long gone from saving. And this is bent. Alright. I'll be it for this video. See ya. Bye. Whippy.